Today I'm going to show you two parts that will kind of help you make your machines look nice. Basically, if you have a Mars mask, this is their 4-in-1 mask, and a lot of our vending operators would have these, and then they might also operate game equipment, or in the event that you were operating a validator and wanted to essentially go all cashless. A couple interesting things you could do. This first part here is a kit we sell. It's just kind of like a blocker. So basically this just pushes into, the first part we have here is called a blocker, and I insert it with this center pin upwards. And this just pushes right in here and it clicks perfectly into place. And then to kind of keep that secure, I have a metal plate right here, and when I put this metal plate on, there's two screw holes. So this actually secures the blocker in place. So just to do a good installation, I want you to put the screws in here. Okay, so now it's secure. Basically, this just became a standalone bezel. It still has this outer ring. So in a standard vending machine, this would come through a protrusion. A lot of newer arcade games kind of would have this, where you could put this through the door of the machine. And if you were strictly cashless, this is beautiful, and this is a very common part. To kind of dress up your equipment, whether you're using this mask, we kind of have a nice bezel. If you'd like, you could put this spacer here, and this decorative bezel right here is designed that this goes around here, and so that this would go onto your machine. So if you have kind of like a metal door cabinet, or if you just kind of want to dress it nicely, this just is sold individually just as a dressing bezel. But just if you kind of want to go only cashless or have these extra bezels and want to keep the same type in your company, the little blocker plate makes it look real nice.